It's about time we're gonna munch on some lobster rolls. There are two kinds of lobster rolls in the world. There's sort of the lobster salad in a hot dog bun, and then there's the more I would call Connecticut style, which is basically hot lobster on a bun. It sounds pretty good to me, so let's get it going. So we have some steamed lobsters here. I'm gonna cut my cooked lobsters straight down the middle. These are already cooked, by the way. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of canola oil and just brush it onto the flesh of the lobster. Now, a lot of people take the lobsters that are raw and then they put them on the grill. It doesn't work. I mean, you can actually get them cooked, but the problem is it really toughens up. So if you wanna make grilled lobsters like we're doing, do exactly what we've done here today, which is cook them almost all the way through so that they steam and they get a really nice creamy texture to them. And then let them cool down, and then we can put them and finish them on the grill so we get some of that charcoal flavor. That's the key to grilling lobsters. All right, so let's get our lobster tails on the grill here. Flesh side down, hot grill. Now remember, these are already cooked, so we just wanna warm them through and we can get some good charring on the outside of them and some flavor, of course. All right, so while that's happening, I have some butter here. I melted some unsalted butter, and I'm taking the milk solids off the top of the butter. This is known as clarifying the butter. If you don't get all of it out, it's totally fine. So we're gonna put a little bit of salt in there, some cayenne pepper. So I'm just gonna drop some fresh tarragon in there. Tarragon and shellfish goes really well, and then maybe a little bit of lemon juice. We're gonna actually take some of the zest there as well. Lots of flavor in the zest. So now we have a really flavorful butter. Most of the time I've seen the hot lobster rolls, they use hamburger buns. And then for the lobster salad, they use hot dog buns. So I'm kind of combining both. But I always like my buns to be just a little bit toasted. Just like that. All right. Let's go back over to our lobster. Right at the base of the tail here, just put a fork in there, and it should just come right out. So I'm gonna drop it right into our butter. My mouth is watering just looking at this. They've been bathing in some butter, flavored with some fresh tarragon. So we get some of that licorice flavor, that nice fresh anise flavor, some lemon, a little cayenne, a little salt, and of course that butter. And I think our lobsters are ready to hit the bun. So let's make it happen. I mean, look how beautiful this is. Just pack it full of lobster. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of my butter sauce here and just kind of just spoon it over there so that the bun sops it all up. I think we'll make one more. And that's the way you make a hot lobster roll. You know, when I go to the restaurants in Connecticut that are known for this, it's basically melted butter and lobster, and that's it. But, you know, I have to flavor it a little bit more than that. Cayenne, lemon, some tarragon. I'm just gonna take a little cracked black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna let those sit there for 1 second. Okay, one thing left to do. Let's eat our lobster roll.